Hey everybody, Katie here, Backwoods Pursuits, and welcome back to another video. As you can see, it is snowing today. It's May 6th, and yesterday we had a beautiful sunny day. To now, we're getting dumped on with snow, and things are just covered, as you can see behind me. Last night, just around dark, I parked up here and let out a couple owl calls, and I ended up hearing a gobbler. He gobbled back at me twice. He was pretty far off this road, and I was having a hard time being able to tell which side, but I think he was across the road up here. So I'm going to give a couple calls right now to see if we can get him talking. I don't know with the snow if he's come down off the roost yet or not. It's I didn't go out first thing this morning. It's almost 7 right now, so we'll see what we can do. I am getting nothing right now. I'm going to pull up here. There's another spot. That was the first time I heard him gobble, so we'll try that spot out. Not getting any responses right now. I really don't know if it's worth walking all around through the woods until I can hear something. So I think I might keep driving around a little bit and giving some calls. All right, well, I couldn't strike up that gobbler at all. Like I said, I kind of roosted him last night. He only gobbled back twice last night, and he was pretty far from where I was owl hooting from, so I really couldn't pinpoint where he was, and I don't want to just bust in there. He could still be on the roost. Likely that he is with this snow. It really came down hard. I'm surprised. We probably have almost 3 inches. But anyways, I'm back in the truck, as you can see, and I'm heading out one of the forest roads. Yesterday afternoon, when I took a walk with the dogs, I saw a lot of fresh sign out in this one area, so I want to hit up that area and see if maybe I can strike something up there. I'm not exactly sure when this snow is expected to end. It looked like it was going to go through until probably 9 or 10 this morning and then turn to rain, so I don't know. I'm just winging it today.